I saw a fish.
Bitter leaf, onugbu, you see that? That's why it's good to rinse it off first before you start washing. Better mmiri ọzọ ka m rinse ya ihe before you wear. Wait. Rinse ya ihe small. Small. It's okay. It's okay. Ngwa wunye mmiri. Time for you to start to follow the thing. Mba, nke a ga-ezu nkubie dị ofe. Tinye nke echi ndị afụza bangorozie ọha ntụrụkpa. Yes. Ọha ntụrụkpa. Ọkazi nkwenụ m mmadụ sharp nja ekwu ọkazi. Enwe m mmadụ nkụ. Ibi nke ọkazi adịkwana. Onwezighị ọzọ dị. It's clear now. But that's Egusi onye kabas. Mba. Just nọrọzi ebe ị nọ. M ga-atụzi ya.
Yeah.
Let me show you people. Cooking rice. We are cooking rice here. White rice. And then here I'm here cooking soup. So I'm using the frying method. Just a little bit of tomato paste. No? Egusi puppy. It's your second cousin.
Okay.
I have the one I blended in crayfish. So it has crayfish in it. Crayfish and pepper. That's why they call it crayfish. Go for that. Don't shift, just hold your hand.
No. About eat tomorrow.
Okay. So I'm going to reduce the soup. So I'm going to reduce the soup and add vegetable to the one we are eating now. And don't talk while adding bitter leaves, so it won't be bitter. This is it. Okay. So this one, whenever we want to eat it, we'll cut out, add vegetable. But the next time if we eat tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to use Okay.
Don't play ya. I said